Hey there, welcome to Site Boosters. If you're into tech tips that make life easier, fascinating facts you've never heard before, and the latest updates in cloud computing, AI, and all things tech, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Let's dive right into the video.
Google Cloud's fourth core storage option is Firestore. Firestore is a flexible, horizontally scalable, NoSQL cloud database for mobile, web, and server development. With Firestore, data is stored in documents and then organized into collections. Documents can contain complex nested objects in addition to subcollections. Firestore's NoSQL queries can then be used to retrieve individual specific documents or to retrieve all the documents in a collection that match your query parameters. Queries can include multiple chain filters and combine filtering and sorting options. They're also indexed by default, so query performance is proportional to the size of the result set, not the dataset. Firestore uses data synchronization to update data on any connected device. However, it's also designed to make simple, one-time fetch queries efficiently. It caches data that an app is actively using, so the app can write, read, listen to, and query data even if the device is offline. When the device comes back online, Firestore synchronizes any local changes back to Firestore. Firestore leverages Google Cloud's powerful infrastructure, automatic multi-region data replication, strong consistency guarantees, atomic batch operations, and real transaction support. From a pricing perspective, you're charged for each document read, write, and delete that you perform with Firestore. Queries are also charged at the rate of one document read per query, whether the query returns data or not. You're also charged for the amount of storage your data consumes and for certain kinds of network bandwidth used to access your data. Ingress is currently free, and in many cases, so is egress. Consult the pricing page for Firestore for details, or you can use Google's billing calculator to estimate prices for your particular use case. In addition to the 10 GB of free network egress per month between U.S. regions, Firestore has a free quota per day of 50,000 document reads, 20,000 document writes, 20,000 document deletes, and 1 GB of stored data. Charges only begin once the free daily quota has been exceeded. This allows you to get started developing with Firestore for very little or even for free.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.